because na anas na na-egbuchasị ndị be anyị. Some people, if father after how to scam our people again, and the man has scam ndị be anyị ka a na-akpọ gị ewu na scam gị, ka a na-akpọ gị ewu a na-akpọ gị ewu a na scam gị, and ọ wụrụ ihe mwute wụrụ ife ịgba anya mmiri dịrị. Ngozi Olabeze, our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is na prison. Ihe Ngozi Olabeze dị mma ya wụ ije na ekonyawo na ya na-anya ife Ngozi Olabeze ha tinyere na that their criminal group. Nene important nene.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are back again on a new video reaction. I will make sure that this one is very quick and sharp. Why? Because I don't want to prolong it. We are not going to analyze everything about this video. We just want to center our conversation on this beginning of this video where she said to go all out on an attack COS, USB government, and different people. What you are seeing here, she claimed that is in the group. Remember a few days ago when we talked about this group, remember the video we made where we did here where she talked about Stella telling people to go to Abuja for protests and all that. She claimed that somebody sent that video to her, right? That kind of report is you are not here. Why can you? How dare you to say that? You are saying what you don't know. See my phone. Somebody sent it to me. Nobody sent it to her. I already clear to us that it's just another lie from Lasuba, and this video has proven that to be true because she said that this post was made sent in WhatsApp group, right? In a group. She doesn't say WhatsApp. She said group. And me and you, we know the group that she's talking about. Okay, and she's there with a fake number, of course, capturing everything in the name of that she's smart, she's intelligent. Crazy stuff. You cannot say that people, Biafrans are terrorists recruited people, terrorists recruiting terrorists and all that, and then you will still want to be in the group of people killing people. What does that make you? You see these lies, this blackmailing people, that is what may become difficult for you. You may be, having your way now, but I don't think it's gonna last. Why? Because ịkachu ọgaranya ka ogbu ya. Ọ na-abụ ụmụnwanne na-abụ nụọ ọgụ. Ụmụnwanne na-abụ nụọ ọgụ ndị ilo ewere ananafa. You cannot just undermine the truth and believe people to follow what you are saying when you know you are lying. For you to deny that you are not in their group in the previous video, and here you are discussing what is being discussed in a group where you say you are not, you are not there, but you were able to talk about stuff that's being said in the group. That makes you something else. I'm not in the group because that's for women. I believe that's the women forum, the WhatsApp group for women. That's where she managed to stick in. I remember her video a few weeks ago where she said that she don't even follow on Ngozi Olabeze. I don't even know that she exists. Yes, but every pin that she was posted there, everything, every drop, any news at all, you will be out to write on that. Who is actually sending those things to you if you are not the one going there? They sacked you. You said that everything here is from criminal, this and that. That's okay. Go to your own house. You don't want to go. You're still patching at the door. You're still patching at the door, pimpering, because you don't have any other thing to do other than, making sure that you know how USB is faring. As Nandi Bodekuka said that now if you cut this so ya foku, you cannot do without USB. Or go about here. And you know that without them there's no source of information, there's nothing to do. After claiming that it's about Fulani and Jigawa and all that, you still want them to come and fight for you. Think about it. That makes you a lunatic. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Like I promised also, I'm not gonna go through all these videos like the one I did yesterday. No, that video is too long. So we will try our best to manage the minutes that we have. Listen.
Important to remember.
This message you are seeing here is important to remember. And this is a special analyst or analyst. What you are saying here, I'm not trying to mock your English. We are all learning, right? But sometimes there are some mistakes that you make that obono kwa chi ụmụ aja na aja Igbo na pịawa gas, because how can you call this important remember? How is this important to remember? Anyway, let's continue.
Ihe Ngozi Olabeze kọwara ebe a bụ na Ngozi Olabeze si na ya nidiri $20,000
What you can see here is 200. Look at it here. It's called 200,000. Look at it here. Okay. You can see this. This is 200,000, not dollars. This is not 2,000, 20,000. This is 200,000. My camera is somehow blonde. But it's 200,000. You can see it here. See my marks here. $200,000.
Na the group anaghị ekwu kedu ka a ga-esi wee lezie destin group a na-ekwu ka eke ya esi wee lezie ihe ma na group ebe a na-ekwu ya esi wee lezi.
I don't have time for this stammering.
Anything that group how we concern this is don't want to $20,000 or not $200,000. Ngozi Olabeze senior need $200,000. Can Ngozi Olabeze need $200,000?
Obviously, saying go get the correct figure. On our go after say, obviously, test go get the correct figure. You na pay 20,000. Obviously, I'm going to $200,000. Our program ga command the 3, command the 4, and we go to the ghost, and of course, obviously. Ụmụnwaanyị na-akpọcha na phone okwe if you pass or just to tip number 1. The money is what it may trigger this woman. Let's continue, because remember, she's telling you that in the platform that Ngozi Olabeze said nobody should post any other thing other than that amount that is about that money in the group. Likely so. There's no problem on that. Listen.
Can Ngozi Olabeze senior need when a post when this group Mando Fulani nwata nwaanyị onye Fulani na-ajụ, do you know me? Ndị Igbo take any time. Can Ngozi Olabeze us need this morning. That this morning they are available in next thing.
This will tell you that that WhatsApp group she's there. Okay, she's not reading it from the WhatsApp group direct. Now, the thing is that if she's not there in the WhatsApp group, she wouldn't have known that. Now, somebody said they couldn't take any time. Or maybe another Biafran lady trying to ginger Biafrans. Or the name and on the flying in the group. And I don't know what this woman thinks that she is. Like your brain is is best or what? Who actually deceiving this woman? Anyway, listen.
90 days na abiano. Next 90 days.
And okay, the money got to complete.
Okay, now I check in this 90 days.
I check
yeah, they ready.
Give a minute.
90 days coming. Oh.
Please don't mind this Igbo one here. Focus on if you see another pattern. Forget about her Igbo one. Let's focus on what she's saying.
How many months? 31 days make 1 month. Yeah, with 3 months time. In 3 months time, make this Ngozi Olabeze chaka this money $200,000. They complete. When one on at the group, whenever you talk any other time at that group, I want this money. Making sure that now this money now all the complete in 90 days now and even Ngozi put that money me here because you know need it can Ngozi call alone you go that money me which no back.
Ocho ka agwa efe the money egbe. You want to know what the money is for, right? Just ordinary post. You guys will copy it and say that they only recruit terrorists. Next thing, no, they gaga caught. And it might be you have intelligent. You have intelligent if you get president in court. Next thing, now you want her to tell you. You check for anybody who was that no onye dị ndị n'osisi mmadụ dị anyị n'osisi wee na-agba izu onye nọ n'elu osisi na-agba izu bụ igwe mmadụ ka ọ na-agba oyi n'okwu ndị Igbo onye nọ n'elu osisi dị anyị somebody dị n'osisi na-agba n'ebe afọ na-agba izu ọ ndị mmadụ dị ndị ụbana rigoro n'osisi nọ n'elu osisi wee nọ n'ebe afọ na-agba izu nọ igwe mmadụ ka a na-agba ama m na inu ama ma nghọtachi ya because ịmagodi can't have two masters at a time.
Ọ gwakwa unu nọ iji ewere gbuo gị gbuo ụmụ gị gbuo chi gị gbuo aka gị let me bring it.
Ọ bụla ife okwu ka m tụkwara gị inu ọzọ ụmụ nwanne na-agba n'anụ ọgụ onye ọbịa ga-ewere ana nnafa oge ụmụ nwanne na-agbabido n'ụwa ọgụ ndị ọbịa ga-ewere ana nnafa so ife anyị na-ada aka ka ị matasịa nnọọ ị na-achọ reason bụ na ndị ife like ihe court case ma oge nkere this goes to oge nkere as well ndị chọrọ ịga court ụmụ nwanne na-agba n'anụ ọgụ ndị ọbịa ga-ewere ana nnafa. So think about it. Nobody is nearby. Come on, Jana. Both basic or Kawara, you're not going to what you know.
They listed out. One of them, Ian Gossip, oh, you did the money. Well, a man.
I'm like, Foku, not if each year.
Ian Gossip, oh, you did the money. Well, a man. Guarantee.
Okay, let's listen.
Anamabia, Kanchonya. Because Nangozi Koala, everything about that money. Ngozi Olabeze Koala, everything about that money. So, if you don't know, if Ngozi Chorije Game, ona mother's pay that na, uno waste time. Obago yon, na yeji webugi, bon negi. Ana mabia, achoro nkono gente. No, ihe Ngozi si na yeji that money, wala me. Because Ngozi need kwazihi bịa na this social media na-achọ ịkọwala ụlọ ife ya ejega me amamogbulone.
Don't worry, focus on the message. Don't worry. Let's hear what you want to say.
Since I was born.
And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. I don't know if you want me to open GoFundMe for some of you who watch and refuse to subscribe. Please do that. It doesn't cost you anything. And like the video. All right. Like the video, and your comment also is very, very important so that we know how many of you that are here. Very, very important. Before we go further, please don't forget that we have a WhatsApp group. You can also join. The link is on here, on the community here, or you can reach out to me to maybe on the comment section that you need the link. I will drop it for you to join the WhatsApp group in case if you like what we do here and you want always to receive notification each time we go live. That's what the WhatsApp group is all about. It's not a place where you can start posting everything. We don't post everything there. Unless something very, very important, especially those things that has to do with, that somehow educative or any information that has to, informative post that has to do with what we are going through and it's going to be of help, good help to our people, then you can post it there, not random post, maybe somebody, crack joke, we post it there, we don't do it there, please. If you want it, let me know that I'll drop the link on the comment. Just put the comment here and demand for it, then I'll send you the link here on the comment. Or you can also go to our community here and see the post there. That is the latest post or the last post we made there is the link to WhatsApp group.
Somebody asked what this since this group name Basara Biafra. I foot to Ben Eba wadida mazen na the Canabera nearly $200,000. I foot to be me before. And I foot to be me go back to be na social media or na share na group.
On a quick feature no imam mezune kogu. On a feature no somebody be told OG. When it does journey American, what do you know? And most everybody be mass American. What your Biafrans are facing today, you don't face it. You don't face that when Mazagan was here. All you want is to know what the money is for, so that you can now, do your sabotage the way your paymaster have paid you to do. Okoko. They get it.
Senior need the sum of $200,000 in 90 days. Oh no, $200,000. Amount no ego ne.
Oh, ego niile akwụ gị ịgbakwọ ya na ego na-akwụ gị every month ọ chọrọ $200,000.
Ego ahụ
Okoko.
Ngozi Olabeze ji wee wepụta this thing na-eshia na the group, and it's on useless stupid.
How did you know that she shared in the group if you're not in the group? You are exposing yourself. Then I told you one thing about Lasuba is that she don't remember what she said yesterday, even in the last 1 hour. You need to hire somebody that will be reminding you of your word constantly, because you keep on contradicting and exposing yourself day by day. You told us here that you are not in the WhatsApp group. Remember the program, the video that you made about Stella, that the lady called Stella, who said that, who was kind of preaching in the group, that people should, she was encouraging people to go to start protesting, they're gonna hire vehicle that will convert people from various parts of eastern part to Abuja, to in solidarity with Master Magano court upcoming court case, and you refused, you attacked it. Personally, I don't buy the idea of protesting for security reasons. Yes, I said that, but not the way you put your own. And we are totally different, people. We are not the same, and we cannot be the same, because you are very, very bad. Your propaganda is shocking, and you are very, very backward in your reason.
People, I will ganye. Can follow me if Ngozi Ejega.
Oh, boy.
Question. Somebody asks question. What are you doing with all this fundraising you collect every Saturday? Get on the corner for the answer, and the body movement in Ngozi Olabeze. You want to know what we use our humanitarian fundraising to do? Really? You want to know? We're using it to bury your mother. That's what we're using it for. That is what we're using it for. Yes, that's what we're using it for. To bury you and your children. That is what the humanitarian funds are going towards. That is why humanitarian fundraising are going to fall. So humanitarian fundraising Ngozi Olabeze, which when you Nandibo, when you Mundibo, and when you that is for.
Shut up your mouth. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị, nwatakịrị gboro nna ya ọgụ, ike igbo nne ya ike ọnụ dịkwa ya. Okay? Nwatakịrị gboro nna ya ọgụ, ike oge ji wee gbokwe nne ya ike ọnụ, ike afọdụkwa ya. You don't just focus on this, separate your father, and you are unable to stop your mother from from her voice going on contest. You want to act smart, whereas you have nothing to show. Listen, the same you use your platform and say that they boom much and they so much and so won't you bury those cops, those people? I mean, you should be thankful that you have somebody that actually care to pay the last respect. Even you go as a journalist, you announce that death, you're unable to even do anything. Somebody is now raising funds to bury those people. Why are you crying? You want vulture to feed on their flesh? Is that how wicked you are? Is that how wicked you are? And to her, this is a evidence. Humanitarian fundraising is about humanity. Okay, if you don't know what it means, it's about helping the less privileged. You have to bury the victims and take care of those that are injured. You have to cater for those that are homeless, those that terrorists have sent, to difficult, condition, that they are unable to cater for themselves. They may not even have water to drink. Then you have to also bury the dead, that whom yourself, how you keep on announcing their dead. You don't announce how they will be buried. You want vulture to feed on their flesh. So that's what she said. Let go, Quentin.
Humanitarian fundraising Ngozi na-eje. court.
Hey, Nanya, and they got Bobia court, so then they got Bobia court, if I be evidence, I get you a court. Kina whatever psychiatrist has own psychology is working. Like your psycho getting one kind of band in the human behavior. This woman need help mentally. To be honest with you, I won't lie.
A woman, just a simple question. Because all about the way for me to this kind of thing.
Or what if I'm not for meeting? Oh, you need to go again and I say, what an eba ọbụla na-agụ ọ na-agụ ya kama na some omume ndị okenye na-eme na-ewute ya ọkụ n'okwu ndị Igbo. I just want to come with this kind of proverb today so that you understand that you need to reason deep. Akwụkwọ nwatakịrị na-ebe sometimes ada abụcha na agụ ọ na-agụ ya kama na omume ndị okenye na-eme ọ na-afụ na-ewute ya mgbe okenye mere omume nwatakịrị na-ebe na akwụkwọ ịmazi ifo mmiri na-ekwu anya na thank God you made mention of her body language. Her body language is just that ibe akwa ngwa gị onye na-echi ga ya na dọkịta na nwatakịrị na-ebe akwa iche na agụ na agụ ya mba ọ agwa Lasuba na-eme ọ na-ebe akwa
use this humanitarian nonsense. Exactly what God is doing in our life.
Can you just imagine this senseless woman?
And nobody want to say something. Are you not on a shock? On a shock. This fundraising. The mission of this criminal na Biafra land. The mission of this criminal na Igbo Muslim also. By saying that now they use the fundraising.
People don't understand even why he's such a Lasuba is this Igbo proverb. Nana say that na ndị ichie ifefa we febidoliwo wefa. You know, you have exhausted what makes you relevant. You have exhausted the love. You have exhausted all the opportunities. In the Lizo Wogiki Bazwa. In Atakaso, because you know Kunimo. In Awata. And you need to understand that you are talking to people who know you before, like who were able to dictate or predict what future hold for you. Let's continue. Can you imagine? Return your evidence. Us here, no, okay. Let's continue. Bad break.
Oh, maka ngozi ọra beze wepụtakwala n'ụlọ na ya n'idiri. Ngozi ọra beze wepụtakwala n'ụlọ wee na-asị na ya n'idiri. Chere ya na mabịa. I want to do something very clear. Na ya n'idiri 200,000 K.
Gịnị mere?
200,000 K.
Everything you are saying here is just to discourage people, right? Ichefo na ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị gị that now. Ọ na-abịa ele nkịta eleteli ya aka ochie azụbo ewu ya. So these people that you are deceiving will still come back. And you have already destroyed your personality, which you know. Ọ na-abịa ele nkịta eleteli ya aka ochie azụbo ewu ya. Again.
In a way, oye ji wee dị mma mana ọ na-ewute m na nene
we are seeing it.
Like this.
Gịnị mere?
Ọ na-apụta ọfụma. I don't know otu m esi wee mee nya ife ka ọ pụta very well.
I don't have time for your nonsensical behavior. The only thing I want Biafrans to understand is that the essence of the money that she's crying about, if you trust your government, if you trust your people, forget about what this woman is talking about. Do all you can to fund your security, to fund, the help, the protection. Okay, you know what I'm talking about, because a lot of people are vulnerable of what is going on in our homeland. This woman just want people to buy you for nothing and nobody to come for your help. There's a video that somebody shared on our WhatsApp group yesterday. For those of you in the WhatsApp group, you remember the person that made a comment there that asked, "Can we permit him to post a link?" And I said, "Yes, post it." And he said that because the video is very, very important. Please, my people, if you have not watched that link, if you have not watched that video, go and watch that video. That video is a white man that interviewed a priest in homeland, not in homeland, in Nigeria, because it's somewhere in northern Nigeria. I watched the full video yesterday. I was like, I will use it to do program here, but I want you to watch it before that program. That's why you need to be in the WhatsApp group. And this kind of link that person shared there, you see that our brother that shared that link is what we want. If you have any information that is very good, let us know to see the video or to permit it, because we don't want people to send link that we end up, hacking people's phone. Then you turn around and say, "Can't report. Since you opened this WhatsApp group, my phone have never remained the same. My account was hacked." You know that kind of thing. Because I've noticed that when I delete some link there, some people are not happy with it. Some fail, but you don't know that it's because of you. It's because of you. And I'm gonna leave it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel and tell me what you think about all we've discussed so far. Remember who Lasuba is. Do not take her word serious. She's out for something. She's playing the template they gave to her, and it is your duty to resist this nonsensical thing. That does not mean that if you have any question to ask about what is going on, maybe one or two things that you should just slack back because of that. No, you can come forward and ask questions. There are many channels by which you can ask some questions. Every week, yes, is coming out to talk to Biafrans, and you can see you can also have time to ask questions, and you have access to other cabinet members that you can also reach out to and ask questions. Not me, I'm not a member of government. I am just a content creator that choose to react on things going on, and I believe most of you like what we do. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye for now.